To install the Spectrum app on a Firestick, start by ensuring your device is plugged into your TV and connected to the internet. From the home page on your Amazon Firestick, navigate to the search function, typically represented by a magnifying glass icon at the top right of the screen. Using your remote, type in Spectrum and select it from the search results. On the Spectrum app page, click the Install or Get icon, usually located on the left, to download and add the app to your home screen. Once the installation is complete, click Open on the left side of the screen to launch the app. After the Spectrum app opens, sign in to your account by clicking on the Sign In option. Upon successful login, you will have access to a wide range of channels and on-demand content, which you can enjoy at your convenience. Following these steps will allow you to successfully install the Spectrum app on your Firestick and start exploring its offerings.